see him? Did you see my guy? Happy Friday! Hi! Okay, so, woo, what was up with that? Work is done for the day. Yay. And tomorrow I have my demo, which I'm not gonna lie, I am nervous about this because I don't like to make mistakes. I'm not saying I'm a perfectionist, because I am far from that, but I don't like to make mistakes, and I will beat myself up about it. Ooh, it's cold. It was really hot and humid this morning, and now I have the air on and I'm freezing. But that's not the point. So I have my demo tomorrow. One of my coworkers is gonna be on with me in case I need some backup. She is a really great woman. Whenever I have any questions, I message her, or you know, I call her. I'm like, hey, can you get on this phone call with me because I don't know what I'm doing, or, you know, I can't fix the issue. So she'll get on, and she's always really encouraging, and she'll tell me her stories about, you know, when she first started, and eventually everything will start clicking and just it goes smoothly. So I have my demo tomorrow, my very first real true demo. Yeah, so I brought my computer home, and I'm gonna prep for it, and I'm gonna practice. I need to find like a good station. Like, I wish there was a station that played like soca and reggae. Well, there is one that plays reggae, but I'm more like soca. Here it is, the joint. And I waited a while. I mean, it was a good 25 seconds, I swear, when that light turned green. And everybody else is just going, and we're just sitting there. And I have no road rage because I waited a good while to honk that horn. My guy is out there. Could you see him? Could you see my guy? Happy Friday! I am so, keep looking at my lips. I'm so excited that it's Friday. Okay, I'm excited that it's Friday, but I'm not excited about this demo I have to do today. I am actually leaving for work. It was supposed to be early, but I will get there early, but not as early as I want to get there. I want to get there at least an hour early so I could just sit down and go over some things and ask my coworker some questions. But it doesn't seem like that's gonna happen. Yeah, but I'm happy it's Friday. TGIF. Hello, it is Friday, almost 5 o'clock, and I'm just now leaving work. But you do what you gotta do, right? So I did my demo, and I was so nervous, and nobody else was on the line from work, except for the salesperson, and she was on the phone, and there was 2 other people, and I am like so nervous, and I would keep going, you know, not to myself. I actually would breathe like that, but I wouldn't do it that loud to where they can hear me, or at least I hope they didn't hear me. Oh my gosh. But I'm very happy that it's over. I've done my first one, and it'd be one of many demos. But when I got the phone, I was like, oh my gosh, I felt so bad because I thought I did so horribly. Like, that's how I felt. And so I called the salesperson back. I'm like, she's like, hello. I'm like, hey, I guess I shouldn't say her name. And I'm like, I'm sorry. She's like, what are you sorry about? I'm like, because it was awful. And she's like, it wasn't awful. You did a really good job. Especially for it being your first one, which I think might be code word for like, yeah, it sucked. But she told me what I did really well and stuff, and she was so nice. But maybe next time I won't be as nervous. Like now, I don't get nervous answering the phones when they call in with questions, so that's a good one. That I don't get nervous doing that. So so it was about an hour, and like sometimes there was these gaps and then I'm like, so do you have any questions? And then the other person was on the phone. I'm like, so do you have any questions? Just to fill up the gap, so if I'm not covering something, they can ask, and then I'd be like, oh yeah, that's this, and this. But overall, I'm very happy with how it went down now, looking back. But it was something else. And then like today, it was just a lot of hard tickets where I'm trying to figure out stuff, and we were short-handed, and it was just it was a very day of it was a day of learning. Like more learning than normal. And I'm glad it's Friday, to the point where I can relax and relax. I'm not really planning anything for this weekend. Tomorrow I have to go to Sugar Land to get my pap smear results, and then I will have to go grocery shopping. And there was one other thing that I want to do. Oh, and go to the vitamin store so I can get my my multivitamins, and I want to look at getting like a protein drink for when I do my workout and stuff. I think that's it. Sunday. Oh, Sunday I was thinking about going to the Apple store to get, because they have like those classes where you can learn how to do like the editing and stuff. So that's something I want to get better at, the editing. And they support like the iPad. Well, they are the iPad, but they support that on the iPad, and they have classes for it. So that's what I'm gonna try to do on Sunday. And then, you know, the norm: cleaning, food prep. And I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. I'm hungry. I didn't even eat lunch. I mean, we were busy and I didn't eat lunch. And now I'm hungry and I ate like 3 bags of chips. Like snack size chips, not 3 full bags of chips. Excuse me. But yeah, overall, good week. Good week. That's how tired I am. I can't even like get my words together. I should go get something to eat before I go home. But it's only 5. Oh, what's that? I never noticed that one. Oh, and did you know that today is National Tequila Day? I didn't know that. And I don't have any tequila at home. I just have wine. Oh yeah, my guy's out here. He's working it. Oh, he's extra hot today. It is 96 degrees. And I guess this weekend is supposed to be a scorcher.